So with this question, na can I apply na ba for TIE or yung physical residence card here in Spain? If meron lang ako is yung digital nomad visa from Philippines na 1 year, or need daw muna mag-file sa UHE or mag-reapply for the 3-year residency. So, we've had different accounts of people na kung saan-saan ng region of Spain na conflicting basically yung experiences nila upon trying to get their TIE in the policia. So, minsan, inaalaw, like for example, like clients from Oviedo, Salamanca, like Valladolid, tapos meron iba from Barcelona, Madrid, na inalaw sila to get TIE kahit 1 year pa lang yung meron sila, yung 1-year DNV from the consulate. However, there are some, like for example, I have a client in Alicante specifically na hindi sila inalaw na kumuha nung TIE because apparently hindi naman din daw kasi kailangan, kasi may biometrics naman linked dun sa visa nila. They can get in and out of the country without their TIE. So, it is varying, but ultimately, ang ginagawa ko sa clients is to still try because it's such a good proof of legal residence, yung TIE. So, I still tell people to still try na pumunta pa rin sa appointment and just see kung makakakuha ng TIE. But definitely, with the UHE kasi, kailangan mo talaga ng TIE. Kasi yung PDF or yung digitized copy ng approval letter mo is not enough to get you in and out of the country because you don't have any biometrics or anything linked to it. So that's why it's important to get your TIE first before getting out of Spain. Otherwise, kailangan may extra Schengen visa days ka pa or legally na kumuha ka ng 1 year sa consulate, and that can get a little bit tricky depending on your case. Ayun, I hope this cleared things up, but thank you so much for watching and I hope this helps. Ciao!